Welcome back to the channel Token Galaxy community. Today we're diving into something that's making a lot of noise in the space right now. In today's video we're talking about Veranet. So before we jump in, just a quick reminder, this video is not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, and always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Now let's set the stage. Imagine for a second that you could take the power of the most advanced AI tools, I'm talking about ChatGPT style, chatbot, real-time trading automation, personalized learning assistants, and combine them with security, transparency, and freedom of blockchain. That alone would be groundbreaking, but now picture those tools not only protecting your private data but also generating real income for you and simplifying your day-to-day life. So that's exactly what Veranet is doing. Veranet is building what they call the first decentralized AI ecosystem on Solana blockchain. This isn't just another hype project with a nice white paper. The pre-sale is live right now and they already raised some serious capital. We're talking about over $230,000 and still counting. And on top of that, the team is fully doxed, KYC verified and audited by Solid Proof. So they're not hiding in the shadows, they're building in public with receipts to back it up. But let's talk about real things. What exactly is Veranet? At its core, Veranet is creating an ecosystem where AI meets decentralization, not a centralized AI platform we all know, where your data is stored on servers you don't control and sold to advertisers. This is different. On Veranet, you own your data, you're not a product, no middleman, no hidden agendas, just you, your AI tools, and the blockchain keeping everything transparent and secure. And here is what makes this project so powerful. So imagine AI tool that can help traders get an edge in volatile markets, assist students and researchers with a faster, smarter learning through an educational AI, provide businesses with personalized recommendation engine for better customer experience, even support banks, e-commerce, healthcare system and governments with secure AI-driven solution. In short, Veranet is trying to build AI-powered economy on Solana, which is fast, scalable and secure. Now let's get real about numbers. Let's take a look on their pre-sale. As you can see, it's running right now, and if you've been around crypto for a while, you know that pre-sales are where the 50x, 100x stories usually start. And if listing hits targets, early investors could see some life-changing returns. Think about it, if this project lists at just $0.5, that's already over 30x from pre-sale, and if it pushes toward $2, we're talking about 100x plus. And they already have partnerships in motion to make sure these tokens don't just sit idle. They're preparing for big exchange listings right after the pre-sale. But of course, you might be asking, sounds good, but how do I know this isn't just another rug? And it's fair, trust is everything in crypto. Veranet knows this, which is why they went through KYC and a full audit with Solid Proof. That's one of the most respected audit firms in the space, and you can basically go on their X account and see the audit confirmation for yourself. The contracts are clean, team is verified, and the setup is transparent. They're shipping real products already. For example, they launched a working Telegram AI bot. This isn't just a gimmick, it's like a ChatGPT with crypto superpowers. You can ask it for real-time coin analysis, market overviews, price insights, and it actually pulls data instantly. But it doesn't stop at crypto. You can ask it about the weather in New York, or even flights from London to Dubai, and it will deliver. That's crazy, and it's basically a 24/7 personal AI assistant sitting in your pocket. And the innovation doesn't stop there. Veranet is working on something futuristic, Veranet OS. This will be an operating system for smart devices like AR glasses and watches powered by on-chain AI agents and smart contracts. So who wins with Veranet? Honestly, everyone. Traders get smarter insights, developers get a platform to build on, businesses get AI-driven personalization, and students and researchers get smarter learning tools. Banks and governments get to use AI without exposing sensitive data, and investors, they get access to revenue streams and potential massive ROI through Veranet growing ecosystem. So this is why pre-sale momentum has been so strong. It's not just hype, it's real product, real use cases, and a serious team executing step by step. So if you want to explore Veranet more, check out their official links, website, and all the links will be provided down below. Telegram for community updates and discussion, Twitter for news and partnership, and of course, test the AI bot yourself. Don't just take my word for it, try it and see the power of decentralized AI in action. So guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.